Got allergies? Let's do these stretches to see if we can give that a little relief. Hold behind your right knee pit. Your right foot's gonna kick up to the sky. Your arms are fairly extended, shoulders out of your ears. Kick up to the sky with your right foot. Your other foot comes on top. You're gonna keep kicking up with your right foot. Your left foot is gonna smush your right foot down. Good, we wanna activate the quad by kicking up with the right leg. The left foot is the helper and smushing your other foot down towards your pelvis. Keep kicking up, feel active in your quad. This is nice and lit up. The other foot's creating the elongation, which makes the internal exfoliation. The floss, we're trying to floss your quads. We're trying to heat them up. The heat pulls up into your stomach, and the stomach heats the lungs to try to push out any pathogens or aspects that we're allergic to, right? So let's try 5 more on this side. You can pick up the pace because we are trying to generate some heat. And we're working our stomach channel in Chinese medicine. It's one of the earth elements. And you can track that line on the ghost flower leggings here to help you remember where to stretch if you're having a little allergy flare up. It's also a great one for runners or mountain climbers. Let's do 2 more. Cross over the midline just a little bit. So you're guiding your right foot across the left just a smidge. Cool, and let's change sides. So hold behind your left knee pit, please. Kick up to the sky with your left foot, shoulders down. Other foot comes on top as the helper. The left foot's kicking up, and then you're smushing it down with the right foot. Cool, if you're feeling feisty, you can lift yourself up, pull your belly button to spine, and let your belly do a little extra work. Your arms can still be straight. If you need relief in your neck, just come on back down.